Ever pondered the secret to turning your financial dreams into reality? It all begins with mastering the art of money management. Embarking on the journey to financial independence can feel like navigating through a labyrinth, especially without a map. But fear not, for today we unravel the mystery of money management, providing a compass to guide you through the financial maze. First and foremost, understand that money isn't just about numbers and cents. It's about freedom and choice. It's the power to make decisions that shape your life and not be shaped by them. So how can you harness this power? The first step is to establish a budget. A budget is a financial blueprint that outlines your income and expenses. It's the cornerstone of effective money management. It allows you to see where your money is going and helps you make informed decisions about your spending habits. Next, prioritize saving. Aim to put aside a portion of your income, no matter how small, into a savings or investment account. This acts as a safety net for unexpected expenses and provides a cushion for financial emergencies. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. In parallel, work on eliminating debt. High-interest debt, particularly credit card debt, can be a financial black hole. Make a plan to pay off your debts as soon as possible. This might mean making sacrifices in the short term, but the freedom from debt is worth it in the long run. Lastly, diversify your income. Don't rely solely on one source of income. Consider passive income streams such as investments, rental income, or side businesses. This not only increases your earning potential, but also provides financial security in case one income source dries up. Now it's time to revisit the nuggets of wisdom we've unearthed today. Remember, the journey to financial independence starts with a budget. It's your financial blueprint and the cornerstone of effective money management. Next, prioritize saving. Even a small amount set aside can build a safety net for the future. Then, focus on eliminating debt. It might require sacrifices, but the freedom from debt is priceless. Lastly, diversify your income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Multiple income streams provide financial security. Mastering money management is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's a journey of discipline, patience, and constant learning. But with these tips in your financial toolkit, you are well on your way to achieving financial independence. So go forth, take control of your money, and turn your financial dreams into reality.